There it went. That looks like Illuminati eye. I've got my eye on you, boys. Hey, what would you call this? Just in the comments. I'm just curious what people would call this. I mean, besides rock. I mean, it's an arrowhead, but it's not shaped as an arrowhead. You know what I mean? Everything, it's an arrowhead, except it's shaped as a bird head. So, is it a Fiji bird arrowhead artifact? Is it a prehistoric one-eye flint bird Indian artifact? Yeah, let me know. Because it's worked all the way, baby. Let's see if I can get it a little better. Not all the way. Looks like it's been... Yeah.